Welcome to the first chapter of C++. In this chapter we will see what C++ is, why C++ is developed, how C++ is evolved, and we will learn about object-oriented programming. Let's know what C++ is. C++ is a general-purpose programming language. General purpose means which we use to solve our daily life problems. C++ is a middle-level language. Its syntax is very easy to learn. So, C++ program can easily be understood. C++ is a platform-independent language, which means it can be run on any platform. Now we will learn why C++ was developed. Jarn Stroustrup developed C++ in 1979. Jarn was very much influenced by the object-oriented features of Simula. He wanted a language that could easily help in large software development. He saw that Simula had features that were suitable for large software development. But Simula was very slow for practical use. So, he chose C because C is a fast, general-purpose and portable language. In 1979, he developed successor of C, which was named as C with class. Features of Simula were added to it. In 1982, he developed successor of C with class, and named it as C++. And, in 1984, C++ was named officially. In this way, C++ was developed. After that, C++ 2.0 was released in 1989, in which features like multiple inheritance, abstract classes, static member functions, const member functions, and protected members were included. And then, the annotated C++ reference manual was published in 1990, in which features like templates, exceptions, namespaces, new casts and Boolean type were added. C++ is fourth most popular programming language after Java, C and Python up to 2019. The current version of C++ is C++ 20. So, this is all about C++.
This is all for this video. I hope you understood each and everything. Please drop your queries in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you want to learn more, please hit subscribe button. For now, this is Easy++, signing out.